I have a friend who was a college athlete. He was a champion wrestler long after college, but by the time he got to be 58 years old, he was a heart attack waiting to happen. His weight had ballooned up to 280 pounds. He looked like crap. He felt like crap. He was taking testosterone replacement just so that he could feel okay enough to get out of bed in the morning. But he was letting the needle do the work that his mitochondria should have been doing. His thyroid hormones were all messed up. You know, it's the thyroid that helps regulate metabolism. And he probably had no brown fat. His triglyceride to HDL ratio, which is an outstanding marker of insulin resistance, was off the charts at over 6. That's a marker that is associated with increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Even though his HbA1c was 5.2, which showed that he did eat a pretty clean diet and he was avoiding the blood glucose spikes, he was on a path to an early grave. He decided he was going to do something about it. He lost about 60 pounds, which is a step in the right direction. He started some fasting. He was doing some exercise. And then he spent 5 months getting into the ice bath every single day. His triglyceride to HDL ratio has been improved to the point where it's cut in half, and it's got a ways to go. His HbA1c has come down from 5.2, which is okay, to 4.9, which is excellent. Everything in his life is improving. He's cut his TRT way down so that now his body is making more of the testosterone that it's meant to, even though he's 61. His total testosterone has dropped, as it should, when you're not injecting yourself with as much of the TRT that lifted it up in the first place. And he feels fantastic. He's reduced his risk of serious heart disease, not to the point where he's really out of the woods. Another 4 or 5 months to go, and he'll pull some more labs. I'll let you know where he stands.